Let me tell you something that might be hard to hear, but you need to hear it. You know all those AI tools you're excited about? ChatGPT, Midjourney, DALL-E? Here's the uncomfortable truth. They weren't built for your benefit. They were built to replace you. Think about it. Why would major corporations invest billions in AI development? It's not because they want to empower you. It's because they've done the math. One AI system is cheaper than 100 employees. No healthcare benefits, no vacation days, no complaints. But here's what's really fascinating and kind of ironic. We're all sitting here, amazed, sharing AI-generated content, playing with AI filters, asking it to write poems and tell jokes. We're literally applauding the very thing that's being designed to make us obsolete. It's like throwing a farewell party for your own job and you don't even realize it. But let me pause here, because this isn't meant to scare you. It's meant to wake you up. Most people are stuck in the consumption loop. They're using AI like it's Netflix, pure entertainment. They're not seeing the bigger picture. While they're asking AI to generate funny memes, others are using it to build six-figure businesses, automate their income streams, and break free from the 9-to-5 grind. The difference? They're not just watching from the sidelines. They're in the game. You see, AI is like a powerful current in the ocean. You can either let it sweep you away, or you can learn to surf it. Right now, most people are treading water, amazed by the waves, while a small group is riding those same waves to freedom. Here's the real secret. AI can either be the tool that replaces you, or the engine that propels you forward. The choice is yours. If you keep treating AI like entertainment, it will treat you like data. Just another user, just another metric. But if you start training it, mastering it, creating with it, something magical happens. You transform this replacement tool into your personal leverage machine. So here's my challenge to you. Stop clapping from the audience. Get on stage. Learn to prompt, to create, to build. Turn AI from your potential replacement into your powerful ally. Because at the end of the day, the future doesn't belong to those who built AI, or those who fear it. It belongs to those who learn to build with it. The choice is yours. Will you keep clapping? Or will you start creating?